Welcome to day 11 of Waxvent.
Oh, look at that.
A relatively short one again from myself, which is
unusual.
As always, we always say is a bit unusual for me. But you can see this is like super thick and just not really kind of going anywhere at the moment.
Gosh, look at that.
Yeah, we're trying to standard size ulnar tube, which is the larger of the suction tubes that we use. I'm just trying to peel it at this point. So you can see we've already detached it, so we've got a little bit of movement. Patient has been using some oil, so you can see it's kind of almost wet underneath, which has really helped. But we've got a perfect angle here now for a set of forceps. Forceps. But I'd had a couple of goes already with the looks of it. But, we tend to grab these little hairs, and we have to say to some patients, you might feel a little bit of a pull because sometimes you might catch some of those hairs that are attached to the ear. It's a bit of a catches some people by surprise.
I did have one the other day, and the hairs were quite deep and they looked quite long, so I grabbed it and pulled it, but I didn't realize it was still attached because it kind of folded backwards into the ear.
Oh gosh.
Yanked it. Yanked the whole thing out. Oof.
So you can see, look at the gap underneath. We are going to pop back in.
It's getting the angle, isn't it, with the forceps?
Yeah.
That's the key to it, is where that bottom jaw ends up.
Oh, there it is. I think we've got a good grip here
now. That looks better, yeah. Oh, something's happening.
Here it comes.
I didn't remember to slow it down, look, on that one.
I did, yeah. A little bit aggravated in there, but no, there's no ruler shot, sorry, on this one, guys. It's my fault.
I think you did it, but we had a problem with...
the editor.
Yeah, we had a problem with some of the storage bits. And all the files were copying,
right.
but they weren't. They were when they copied over, one of them was corrupted.
Yeah,
and it happened for a few.
Like 0 bytes.
I didn't copy over properly.
So sorry about that, guys.
Yeah.
But
computer issues.
Yeah, nice size of plug that came out. It was probably only about, I don't know, centimetre and a half, probably.
So we shall see you tomorrow for the halfway mark.
Yes.
So day 12 of Waxvent. Members, you'll be getting your video again tomorrow as well. Excuse me, sorry, but as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and lovely Miss Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.